Hello, everyone. Welcome back. So, I know we went over the 8 features of civilization, just a review on that, and then we also posted a video on the worksheet on the 8 features of civilization, just a review worksheet. So now what we're going to do is we're going to tie into what we've been learning in ancient Rome or Italy into the 8 features of civilization. So let's get started. So right here I have a graphic organizer, and it just has the feature and then an example based on ancient Rome. So first we know it's writing, and we know writing is all about language, literature, uh, posting things in regards to um, signs and symbols to preserve laws. So we are now going to go over some of the writing examples that are specific to ancient Rome. So we know language was a part of Rome. So let's get into that. So you have language. All right. They mainly spoke Latin, also known as Romance languages. All right. They also had oratory and poetry, the Odyssey. Y'all know about that because we read some of the Odyssey. The Aeneid, the Odys, and they also had satire and philosophy. Satire and philosophy. All right. So on to public works. We learned about this when we worked on Christianity and world religions. So I told you about the Roman roads. We know the Roman roads helped to spread Christianity. And aqueducts. Aqueducts are just a way in which to move water from one place to the other, like a piping system. All right, and then the next one is job specialization. So we know job specialization is all about people having a specific job. So I'm just going to write a few. I have a long list here, but I'm just going to write a couple just to give you an idea of what type of jobs people in ancient Rome had. So we all know farmers, doctors, philosophers, architects, teachers, soldiers, writers, poets, musicians, merchants, and government officials. And I ran out of space. All right. So the next one is an established religion. We know they are a set of beliefs or shared beliefs that a group of people share with their creator or higher power. So at first they started as they first worshipped Greco-Roman gods. So they worshipped Greco-Roman gods. And we know this, they believed in more than one god. And then they transitioned over to Christianity. All right, which is monotheistic, which means they believed in one God. All right, so we have this transition from polytheistic, belief in more than one God, to now monotheism. All right. And just so you're aware, Greco-Roman is just a culture that's a combination of both Greek and Roman elements. So there's a combination of both. So we all know about ancient Greece and their belief system. So it just did a combination of both. All right. So the next one is arts and architecture. So they had mosaic. So that is just a way in which tiles are arranged abstractly. I'll have a picture of what mosaics look like. They had statues of their Greco-Roman gods, paintings, and jewelry. All right. They mainly use silver, gold, and gems to make their jewelry. Alright, so now on to social classes. So you learned about these social classes when we talked about ancient Rome. So there are three main social classes that came up in ancient Rome. So the first one, we're going to start from the lowest to the highest. Alright, so slaves was the first one. Alright, then the plebeians, and then the patricians. Are all part of these social classes. Alright? Or make up the social classes. Alright, on to organized government. So we all know that Rome was part of what we know to be a republic. I'm going to use green right now. Republic, right, is a way in which people elect their representatives. We are what we could, the United States is considered to be a republic because we elect the people that represent us in government. So there are three parts to the republic. Number one, we have the assemblies. Assemblies, the Senate, and lastly, the magistrates. Also, there was the Roman law code. So I'm just going to use a different color. And that is known as the 12 tables. Okay? Roman law code. And then this also ties into what? Writing. Okay? Type of writing. Remember? Alright, so the next one are cities. So I'm going to show you some of the main cities in Rome or Italy. Feeling colorful today. So, Rome, of course. Rome is a city, not a country. Milan, Naples, Turin, and Palermo. Okay? So these are the top 5 cities in Rome or Italy. And they are still existing today, especially Rome, Milan, Naples, and then one cool one is Sicily. It is that little island um, under the boot. So that's pretty much it in regards to the 8 features of civilization in regards to Italy. So I hope you enjoy this. Next time we will go over the river valley. Actually, we'll actually go over specifically the organized government and how government was organized in ancient Rome. That's one of your other worksheets in your packet. So we'll get to those. I believe possibly on Wednesday. So I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, you can certainly email me, and I'll be happy to help you. Bye.